It's a small world, my village in Punjab, my society, my people, observing the trend of global village. But there is a soul, the paragon of deprivation. The soul says, alluring me the flavors and the tastes of the world. The eye of hope gleams with the light of dreams. The soul says, enticing me the rainbow of life, dancing joys and cackling laughters, but throttling me the gestures of indecency. The soul says, inviting me the quest of research and exploration, but gulps me the roaring monster of poverty and misery. Ecstatic vigor of food and aromas overwhelms my heart, but soon I drown in the abyss of despair, killing me the pangs of obsession of technology and self-delusion. The soul says, cherubic smiles, angelic innocence, weave the dreams of prosperity, reflect the glory of heaven, but the shadows of pauperism cast the indenture of pessimism. The soul says, the fading colors of hope, the rising bar of lust and voracity, the intractable people, no veneration for preacher. The soul says, I step on the trail of tyranny, and I look forward to hold power of pen in my hand. I want to have stable and firm footing in playground. I want to be healthy. I want to be happy. The soul says, I want to be happy.